Many times we calculate standard deviation but don't even know what is the practical applicability of standard deviation. So my purpose of this video is to show you the practical applicability of standard deviation. Let's take example of Nifty 50 returns from 1st April 2021 to 1st April 2024. The Nifty values are in X column and the Nifty returns are in Y column. So now take standard deviation of X, which is standard deviation population. Here we use the standard deviation population because standard population, what is population and what is sample, we will discuss in our later videos. So now take the standard deviation and similarly in Y column also standard deviation of returns. Here you can see the standard deviation return is 30.09%. So what does this 30.09% implies? This 30.09% implies that the return Nifty might give by plus 30.09% and minus 30.09%. That means for 1st April 25, the Nifty may go up by 30.09% and may go down by 30.09%. So is that 100% sure that the Nifty will lies between these two values? No, not 100%, but surely 66.66% probability that the Nifty might go up by 30.09% and may go down by 30.09%. So we can write it like that. Write it like return is 30.09% and here the return is minus 30.09% and the probability is 33.33% and again the probability is 33.33%. Total probability is 66.66%. Now let's take example of mutual fund. I just jump into any mutual fund. Let's take Axis Mutual Fund. Suppose we choose the Axis Multicap Fund. So in Axis Multicap Fund, we have seen the return of CAGR is 21.15%. What is CAGR? If you don't know, I will make a separate video on it. And the standard deviation is 14.28%. So what does it means? It means that there is 66.66% probability that the portfolio of Axis Multicap Fund may go up by and may go down by this percent. The CAGR itself 21%. That means 14.26%. That means if the standard deviation, if the probability exceeds probability, any abnormal situation occurs, there is huge loss, huge probability of loss in portfolio because the CAGR is in the border side. But on the contrary, if the return, if they give a massive return, if they give a good performance, then this may shoot up by huge. Sounds similar like risky, right? That's why the risk is very high in this portfolio. The standard deviation is an important metric for forecasting. I think you understand the concept of standard deviation. If you like this video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.